All right, so we are going to make a small change on my code itself. The small change we are going to make is just to synchronize my readme with the rest of the code, so that you can see like how I use the tool. So like basically like I started to create this tool when AI came, and I was like just angry at what? At um, VS Code and Cursor because they couldn't allow me like to connect to DeepSeek easily. So yeah, like since then I was moving slowly on this tool, so it's like basically like agentic, but there is only one agent. So okay, I'm just gonna stop talking and just do some work. So you have the binary like this after the installation of the curl. I just press Ctrl+C because I want to show something. Okay, so here in the help, you can see like where everything is located to make this tool work. So the binary, the config, and like some histories of past conversations and things like that. So basically, you can control everything manually if you want. So first step, you select the directory. There is like an autocomplete with tab. So like for instance, if you want to open in the current directory, you just do this. There is no memory problem, so like I can just press run. They are going to collide, but then it's handled, so it's the same because we are. Okay, so now like you have your config that you control here. And basically, like you just need like to have your API key and the correct endpoint. I really like DeepSeek. Maybe I don't code enough, but I spend $3 per month with it, $3 because they hit the cache aggressively. I'm studying this cache hitting these days. So now, like we are going to do, yeah, DeepSeek Reasoner. It's still version 3, but that's good enough. I don't need to move that fast with the version 4. Okay, so now we start speaking with the tool finally. Yeah, so it's a bit verbose here, like it says like the connection is established. You might get rid of this. So yeah, here like you just type your message. I chose to do the contrary of what you have on the internet, like to put a new line. You don't press Alt+Enter, you just press Enter, and to send you press Alt+Enter. But if it's an issue, you can raise it. All right, so now like we are going to press Ctrl+B to open the file context menu. So UP. Okay, so yeah, the next issue will be like auto inclusions of file, given like a limited amount of requests or token or maybe money if you need total control. Okay, so I was just pressing E and D, like to control this. There is no drag and drop at the moment. Now I press Ctrl+B again. Okay, so we are going to ask DeepSeek to update the readme. So there is some prompt engineering in the middle. Everything is framed into some XML tags. And then the conversation is saved in a TOML format just to avoid a conflict of tags. Maybe I will have time to show the history of a conversation. Okay, so the request is a little bit big. Too many tokens. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's see the answer. Okay, so you can see I backed up the readme. It's not necessary, there is a boolean in the config. It's not necessary when you know how to use Git. And yeah, like here is the readme, so I just need to commit and push. And that's it. So yeah, like I mean, the GitHub repo is a thin wrap, so it's available on the website of the event. And yeah, like I believe like the next issue is like automatic joining of files, like automatic context handling in a because like the problem is that Cloud Code or like Open Code they make too many requests, and I need more control on the costs. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty it. It's exactly 10 minutes, and yeah, thank you everybody to welcoming me. That's a cool day. Yeah.